Let's talk about it. I'm back again with another Wallflower Wednesday. And today is going to be on Moonlit Graveyard. Yes, y'all. This is just a new type of video that I'm going to start. Hopefully I stick with it because I actually love using my wallflowers like this. And in my personal opinion, you really get the scent of the fragrance using it in the diffuser. I absolutely love using it inside of this diffuser. As y'all do know, I took the wick out. I have a video on how to do that. I'll link it at the top. So yeah, this scent, Moonlit Graveyard, yes, love it. As you do see, the scent notes is musk, air, incense. So yes, I love it, y'all. I absolutely really like it. And as you do see, it comes in a single wick as well as the 3 wick that I have going as well. The 3 wick, and it comes with this specialty lid on the 3 wick. I'm sure everybody knows this by now because this scent has been out for a couple of weeks now. But as you do see, the lid, a lot of people is referring it to like a Oreo. I like the scent, but I like it more in the wallflower form. That's just me. It really smells good. You really get all of those notes. My favorite packaging of all of these is the single wick candle. I absolutely love the way this single wick candle look, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite. I know a lot of people love the 3 wick packaging, but for me, it's all about that single wick. Oh my goodness, I love the packaging. Oh my goodness. So let's get into this scent, y'all. Again, I could see myself buying backups of the Wallflower. The 3 wick is nice, but it's just not giving me what the Wallflower is giving me. This Wallflower smells so good, and as y'all do see, I think this is like my 4th time using it, and you see I still have so much left. And when I tell you this diffuser, it goes for hours, you hear me? So I love it. As far as what does Moonlit Graveyard smells like, to me it smells like a men's cologne. That's the easiest way of saying it. It smells like men's cologne, men's aftershave maybe. You know, it's like a earthy, woody, but not super woody. It's kind of sweet. I feel like it might have some kind of cinnamon in it. I'm not 100% sure, but it gives me a sweet, woody type of scent. And to me, it has to have a slight hit of cinnamon. It has to. Because even though the notes don't say it, it says more of moss and incense. You know, the incense could be that woody part of it. You know, but it doesn't say anything about sweetness. As far as air, I don't know what air is supposed to smell like. I really don't. If you know what air is supposed to smell like, leave that down in the comments. I don't know. I think they just playing on words like they always do. So X the air part out and just think of more of a moss. You gotta think of more of a dirty, earthy type of scent. Don't get me wrong. It's not dirty and it's not super earthy either. You do get that earthiness and you do get that woodiness, but it's not like that. It's more of a men's cologne. If they were to, this is just my opinion because I know some people don't like this scent, but I could see them doing this in a men's cologne. Most definitely would have to play on words. You know, I'm not sure if Bath and Body Works ever did like a moss candle or a moss fragrance. I'm not sure, but I could most definitely see this as a fragrance, you know, especially if they change the name. You know, they could still use the incense and they could still use the moss, but put in that cinnamon as well as that vanilla. Because I'm somewhat familiar with the moss scent because I do own moss in commodity, and I do like this scent, but this is real different. This is more of a citrus. I think it has that bergamot. I put the notes on the screen. It has that bergamot, whereas this is more sweet, like cinnamon and maybe vanilla. I don't know if that scent is in there, y'all, but that's just what I smell. So yeah, I'm kind of familiar with the moss scent, that earthiness, that earthiness scent. Yeah, it's kind of giving me this. Even though I know a lot of people ain't really on this, they really didn't care for this scent, but it's kind of giving me this. If y'all remember when Bath and Body Works came, it haven't been that long, but this cinnamon sandalwood, it's kind of giving me that a little bit. Like it have hints of this in the scent. Now, I'm not for sure because it don't say, and we all know they don't never list all of the notes. But I most definitely get like a cinnamon vanilla type of scent. So if you're the type of person like me, I like masculine scents. I don't like them to be too heavy. I like them to be kind of sort of in the middle where it could kind of go unisex. And to me, this isn't quite a unisex scent. It's more of a masculine scent, but not super masculine. It still has that sweetness. It still has that woodiness, and it still has that earthiness of it. I really, really, really like this scent, and it most definitely is backup worthy for me in the Wallflower form only. Only way I'm gonna back up the candle version is by using a rewards on the single wick, or if they have an amazing sale on the 3-wick, and I could get the 3-wick for no more than $12 for this candle, because keep in mind this 3-wick candle is $37. So getting it between the price of $10 and $12 is not bad for this 3-wick candle. I do think that this scent will be around for semi-annual, just because a lot of the Halloween stuff, it comes out early and it just kind of lingers around, you know. So I could see this scent being around for semi-annual. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab another Wallflower, and then after that I'm gonna wait for semi-annual to kind of grab a few more. As far as the single wick, I think I have maybe 2 or 3 of the single wicks, so I'm good when it comes to the candle form, unless an amazing deal comes out on the 3-wick, then I'll grab another one. So leave in the comments, let me know, did you grab anything in this collection, this Moonlit Graveyard collection? Because I do know there's a soap as well. I don't have the soap, I just only have the Wallflower and the candles. So leave that down in the comment. What do you think about this scent? Is it a pass for you? Because I know a lot of people don't like it, but a lot of people only tried it in the candle form. I highly, highly, highly recommend you try it in the Wallflower form. Do the Wallflower hack and put it inside of your diffuser. I'm telling you, it smells so different. Not super different, but you most definitely get all of those notes when you do it in your diffuser. So leave that down in the comments. Let me know, have you done the Wallflower hack? Leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Again, leave me some comments. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for supporting me. And everybody else, please, please, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.